Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can buy an umbrella and what it's for in Heartopia. So it's not just some accessory. You're just going to wait for Doris to show up. She'll always be here when it is raining. So here's where she is. Talk to Doris and then go to the fortune store and purchase it. It will cost you around 80 wishing stars, and you'll find it in the dress up section of your watch. So grab your umbrella and then press save. Equip your umbrella like you would equip another tool. Then you're just going to stand near your friend, and then this is going to pop up. It says, "You are my sunshine, restore 1 energy every 5 seconds for 60 seconds. And yeah, it only works if you are next to your friend. I don't know if it works if they're just another DG member or if they're your friend, so you can just test that out. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!